Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in again. So today I'm gonna be doing a video on like repairing the roof on my RV, and I don't really need to repair it. The roof is actually in pretty good shape, but my RV is 20 years old, and what I want to do is I want to make it so I don't have to work on it very much at all. And one of the things I'm going to use to round the edges and stuff is this thing called Etrnabond, and I've heard really good things about it. And I'm going to put it all around the perimeter, anywhere where there's vents, and then I'm going to, once that's dried, set up, I'll give it a little while. Then I'm going to put this silicone flex seal, and I've heard really good things about it as well. And it's lifetime guarantee, and you know, that way my roof is going to be good for a while. I'm not going to put that on right away, so for today I'm just going to put this on initially and then see how it goes. Okay, so it's very noisy here, but I did wash the floor with the roof yesterday, just with a mild soap, and just to get it prepped up for all this work. And the weather is good. It's nice and warm, dry, and I started doing it. You can kind of see it in the back here. I did start doing it in the back. Sorry about the noise again, and it's not looking bad. I'm not perfect. It's not a full great line, but I guess I'll have to figure that out as I go. But this stuff looks like it's gonna just weather really well, so we'll carry on. Okay, so sorry for the noise again. So I kind of did it here. You kind of have a look, and I went all the way around, and I'm gonna do all the way in the front. I'm gonna do all those other ones too, those other pieces. And what I did is hopefully you can see with the camera, is I put it through the channel here. I put it all the way to the bottom, so that way it's gonna go overlap this piece right here. Sorry about the noise, but anyways, carrying on. Okay, last look up here, and it's finally done. We ended up putting 2 coats on because we had enough left over, and we thought we would. There's no point of saving it. So altogether we used about 5 gallons, and you know, 1 coat can do 2.5 gallons, but we did the 2 coats, the 5 gallons, and you can see I really lathered it up really well, especially in the back corners here. Sorry about the noise again. And it's looking really good. You know, all this stuff is just gonna stay weather so well, and I put my hand on it, and this stuff is like on there so thick and nice, and with the Etrnabond on the side here, it really makes it really such a great seal. I can't you know emphasize any more on this, but this is the stuff you want to use. Okay, thanks very much. Okay, so I've laid this coating down, and it's turned out really well. You can have a look at it, and I used the tape, like I said, around the edges, and then did the coating, and the coating looks really good. It covers really well. We did put a really thick coat on, just so we can make sure that we get a really good finish. We don't have to do it again. I did touch up the vents and everything as well, because you might as well, since you're up here. And I don't think I'll have to come up on this roof for a long time, if ever, for the rest of my lifetime. This stuff is great. I would highly recommend it, and thanks a lot again. Please like, subscribe, and watch out for the next one. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.